Well, hello again YouTube, this time from the engineering cave. What I have here is a quality brand manufacturer fridge door handle, and it's engineered to fail. That's the only reason why I'm making this video about a fridge handle, because you have 320 mils, I think. I don't have my ruler and the calipers are too small, but over 300 millimeters of lever to open a fridge door with a gimmick lever system. You pull the handle and this pops the fridge open, hopefully. But yeah, this is not supported by anything. This screw holds the die cast sink part onto the handle like this, and the only thing holding this contraption to the fridge is this flimsy zinc part. It's made of die cast zinc, stuff that you make Hot Wheels out of, non-structural parts. And you have 300 millimeters of lever on it. What happens when a person opens the fridge and closes the fridge? The temperature difference creates a vacuum inside the fridge, and the next one comes and opens the fridge just after the other one. And you need much more force to open the fridge. And then you get this. What are they thinking? This flimsy part, well, obviously it didn't hold. And the worst part is, this is a quality manufacturer, German manufacturing or design. And they engineered it to fail. At the earlier times, the manufacturers were proud of their work, and the engineers were proud of their work. Who makes the most durable and most quality items the man can buy? That was how the manufacturers were competing with each other. Now they're competing who fucks you over the most. 4 times a year. Who's the best? Screwing people over for money. It's infuriating. This is my rant on the subject. Why we are having these carbon footprints and everything, because all the manufacturers are making shit and people are buying because they don't have a choice. And now this is broken. It costs 170 to 250 euros for a fridge handle. Why? What does it cost to make this part? 1 euro? 2 euros maybe? You make a million, it costs like 50 cents to make this part. Yeah. And all it depends on the color, what color you have. The price goes higher if it's the stainless steel color. It's 250 euros. Why? Because people have money who buy the fancy parts. And then we're wondering why the world is turning into shit. So here's my answer. 316 stainless steel thick welded rod and a mechanical handle. Just gonna bolt it to the door and we can yank the fridge open, or the people who are using it can yank the fridge open. That won't go anywhere. I think you can tow the fridge behind your truck with it. But yeah, enough ranting. Just wanted to vent out the stupidity that every manufacturer is making today, and I mean every. Even the quality makers are making crap. But yeah, if you have any questions, put them down below. And if you want to subscribe, it's nice, but not mandatory. I'm not making money on YouTube, just a hobby and showing people what I make. But yeah, you all stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.